Hello dear students, today the topic of the class is computation of IDFT using DIT algorithm, which I have explained it using a problem. So let us start the problem. The given question is, find the IDFT of the sequence capital X of k is equal to 10 minus 2 plus j2 minus 2 minus 2 minus j2 using DIT algorithm. All of you know what is DIT algorithm. This is small a, small b are the input variables, capital A, capital B are the output variables, and the twiddle factor Wn to the power k is placed at the beginning of the second line in a DIT flow graph. So for solving this problem, you have to know what is a basic butterfly diagram of DIT and their output equations. Capital A equation is A plus B into Wn to the power k, and capital B equation is A minus B Wn to the power k. You have to remember the flow diagram and their output equations for solving this problem. The flow graph is same. What is the difference between DFT solution and IDFT solution is what we are taking at the input side. If you see at the input of IDFT, what is IDFT applied? IDFT is applied on X of k, capital X of k. On applying IDFT, you are getting small x of n, which is a discrete time sequence. Okay, na? In IDFT, input is X of k and output is small x of n. So here X of k is given to us. Now we have to find what is X of n. What is the formula of X of n? IDFT formula. X of n is equal to 1 by n summation k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x star of k w to the power of nk. The whole star, that is star indicates complex conjugate. Okay, so what it is? This equation is a DFT equation. Okay, so if you take this capital N to this side, n x star of n is equal to DFT of what? X star of k. So you are finding DFT of x star of k. By finding DFT of x star of k, what you will be getting? Capital N dot x star of n. So the input of the butterfly diagram will be x star of k and the output of the flow graph will be capital N x star of n. Okay, so this is IDFT equation. So let us start the solution. This is some basic requirements you have to understand before solving the problem. So the given capital X of k, we have written it, and based on this X of k you have written x star of k, because x star of k is the complex conjugate of x of k, which is taken as input of the flow graph. So how do we take the complex conjugate? The imaginary part sign is changed. So 10 is written as 10, minus 2 plus j2 is written as minus 2 minus j2. Minus 2 is minus 2 and this is minus 2 plus j2. So from given x of k, you have computed what is x star of k. What is capital N here? Capital N is 4. Its length is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Its length is 4. Next, in DIT flow graph, the input is in the bit reversal order and output is in the natural order. So you know what is bit reversal table. For the 0th position we write it as 0, for 1 we take it as 2, and for 2 it is 1, and for 3 it is 3. So the natural order is 0, 1, 2, 3. The bit reversal order is 0, 2, 1, 3. Okay, so flow graph will be same in DIT. Input is bit reversal and output is in the natural order. So you all know what is a flow graph for n is equal to 4 for a DIT. This I have already drawn a 4-point DIT flow graph. So here this is known as first stage and this is known as second stage. For the first stage the twiddle factors are W2 to the power of 0, and for the second stage the twiddle factors are W4 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 1. So after drawing this flow graph, you have to do the twiddle factor calculations. So A1, B1, C1, D1 are the outputs of first stage, A2, B2, C2, D2 are the output of the second stage. So this is the structure of a DIT flow graph where twiddle factors are W2 to the power 0, W4 to the power 0, W4 to the power of 1. Input what you have to give? X star of k. What the output will get? Capital N X star of n. Before going to solve this flow graph, let us compute the twiddle factors. So what is twiddle factor calculation? W2 to the power of 0. What it is? E to the power of minus j 2 pi 0 by 2, which is coming to be as e to the power 0, it's equal to 1. So what is W2 to the power of 0? Its value is coming to be as 1. W4 to the power 0, e to the power of minus j 2 pi, k value is 0, n value is 4, that is e to the power 0 is coming to be as 1. So W4 to the power is how much? W4 to the power 0 is 1. W4 to the power of 1, e to the power of minus j 2 pi 1 by 4, which is coming to be as e to the power of minus j pi by 2, which is written as cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. What is cos pi by 2? It is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So it is minus j. So what is W4 to the power of 1 answer? W4 to the power 1 is equal to minus j. So we have done all the three twiddle factor calculations. W2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. W4 to the power 0 is 1. W4 to the power of 1 is coming to be as minus j. Okay, let us give this variable twiddle factor values in this flow graph and solve the problem. So what is here? Input is x star of k, and in DIT it is in bit reversal order. So what is x star of, now here what is x star of 0? 10. X star of 0 is how much? 10. Next, what is x star of 2? How much it is? X star of 2 is equal to how much? Minus 2. X star of 1. X star of 1 is how much? Minus 2 minus j2. X star of 3. It is equal to minus 2 plus j2. Okay, so like this we have written the inputs: x star of 0, x star of 2, x star of 1, x star of 3. Inputs are 10, minus 2, minus 2, minus j2, minus 2 plus j2. These are given to the input to these butterflies. Let us solve the problem now. What is A1 equation? A1 is what? A plus B into the twiddle factor. So it is how much? 10 plus minus 2 of W2 to the power 0. So how much it will come? What is W2 to the power 0? 1. So it is 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. What is A1 value now? A1 value is 8. Now let us do B1 calculation. What is B1? A minus B, Wn to the power k. What is A here? A is 10, B is minus 2, Wn to the power k is W2 to the power 0. So 10 minus of minus 2, W2 to the power 0. So how much it will come? 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So B1 is coming to be as 12. Now coming to C1. What is C1? Here the inputs are minus 2 minus J2 plus A plus B. What is B here? Minus 2 plus J2 into W2 to the power 0. So it's coming to be as minus 2 minus J2 minus 2 plus J2. So how much it will come? Minus 4. So C1 value is coming to be as minus 4. Now what is D1? D1 is coming to be as D1 is D1 is coming to be as A minus B minus 2 minus J2 minus of minus 2 plus J2 W2 to the power 0. So it will come as minus 2 minus J2 plus 2 minus J2. So it will come as minus J4. So D1 is coming to be as minus J4. Okay. So we got the input output as 8, 12, minus 4, minus J4, which will act as input to the second stage of butterfly. So let us calculate what is A2 now. What is A2? For computing A2, we have to take the inputs now. For this blue butterfly, the inputs are A1 and C1. So A1 and C1, what it will be? 8 plus minus 4 W4 to the power of 0. So it is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So A2 value is coming to be as 4. Now what is B2? B2 is coming to be as, B2 we can compute later. So let us see now, for this butterfly the outputs are A2 and C2. A2 we got it, now compute C2. Compute C2, what it is? 8 minus of minus 4 W4 to the power 0. So how much it will come? 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So what is C2 coming? C2 is coming to be as 12. So the first butterfly, blue butterfly, we computed A2 and C2. Now compute B2. That is a red butterfly. For red butterfly, the inputs are B1 and D1. A plus A is 12, A plus B. B is minus J4. Twiddle factor is W4 to the power of 1. So it's coming as 12 minus J4 and its value is minus J. So how much it will come? Minus minus plus. Plus J square 4. What is J square? It's equal to minus 1. So it's coming as 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. So B2 is coming to be as 8. Okay. And then you can similarly compute D2. So D2 is coming to be as 16. Okay. In the same order what we have done the equations. A plus B Wn to the power k for upper line, and for lower line it is A minus B Wn to the power k. So now we got 4, 8, 12, 16. What are they? They are n. What is n? X star of n coming? It's coming to be as 4, 8, 12 and 16. It's coming to be as 4, 8, 12, 16. That is these values 4, 8, 12, 16 is n x star of n. What is capital N? Capital N is 4. So now compute what is x star of n. As all are real, you to find x star of n divided by capital N. Capital N is 4. So it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x star of n. Now find what is x of n. Take the complex conjugate. That will be coming as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer of the given problem. So what is given here? Capital X of k is given and you have applied IDFT using DIT algorithm and you got small x of n. Okay. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. So what is the answer we are getting for the solution? X of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 for given this x of k. Thank you. Good luck, students.